Hello guys, welcome to Easy Art.
I'm really happy you're here today. In this video, we're going to draw Santa Claus step by step, in a fun and simple way that anyone can follow. Whether you're a beginner, a kid, or just someone who loves drawing, this tutorial is perfect for you. I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly, so don't worry if you're new to art. Just grab your pencil, paper, and some colors, relax and draw along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawing doesn't look perfect. What matters most is having fun and enjoying the process. If you enjoy this tutorial and find it helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy Arteezy for more easy and fun drawing lessons. Your support really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more exciting art videos. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started and draw Santa Claus together. Let's begin.
अगर आपको मेरे ड्राइंग वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और ऐसे ही मज़ेदार ड्राइंग वीडियोस देखते रहें।